This portion is brought to you by Mercury Drug, na kasisiguro gamot ay laging bago.
Ngayong summer, napaka-refreshing magbabad-babad sa pool at magtampisaw-tampisaw sa beaches. Pero mag-ingat, dahil may mga sakit na nakukuha sa mga kontaminadong tubig. Ngayong umaga, pag-usapan natin ano-ano nga ba ang mga sakit na nakukuha sa kontaminadong tubig at paano ba ito maiiwasan. This is Generation RX, your health and travel show. Now, signing on. Waterborne diseases are infectious diseases spread primarily through contaminated water. Pero para mas maunawaan kung ano-ano ang mga sakit na ito, panoorin natin to.
Waterborne diseases or infections that you get when you are exposed to contaminated fresh water. So you get this disease when you drink or bathe in these contaminated waters, or when you use this water to prepare your food or to wash while preparing your food. It's still a big problem in the country. In fact, it is most of the manifestation of waterborne diseases are diarrheal diseases, the number 2 cause of illnesses in the country. There are a lot of types of waterborne diseases. There are those that are caused by bacteria. The most common is what we call the Salmonella, Shigella, or the E. coli. These are the common bacteria that causes diarrhea. And viruses could also cause diarrheal diseases. So all these bacteria and viruses can be found in the countries. Mostly, if we say diarrheal diseases, it's mostly the children. But adults can also be infected, especially if water supply is contaminated or not clean. Karamihan, of course, is diarrheal disease. Waterborne diseases that is caused through bathing are the skin infections. Ngayon naman, merong waterborne diseases na caused ng parasites. Ang pinaka-common is diarrheal diseases.
Ang mga waterborne diseases na sanhi ng pagtatae ng mga bata, matanda at kahit sino ay maraming klase yon. We have the protozoal, the viral, the parasitic, and the bacterial waterborne diseases. So para makontrol natin yung mga sakit na to, kailangan maprotektahan natin yung ating health, yung ating pamilya laban sa mga waterborne diseases.
Sa dami ng klaseng sakit na maaari nating makuha mula sa waterborne disease, it really is a must that we should know how to take good care of our water resources. Sa pagbabalik ng Generation RX, let us find out the ways on how we can stay away from any polluted water intake.
Hindi kami umiinom ng sa gripo talaga ngayon kasi daming kalawang. Tsaka may mga ano na rin, may mga buhangin. Kaya dun sa bahay namin. At tsaka sumasakyan ko. Hindi ko alam ba't nung araw din naman uso yan, di ba? Wala naman yung ba't ngayon. So, ibig sabihin, talagang polluted na masyado yung ating water. Kasi dati wala naman ganyan, di ba? Para sure na lang, yung talagang malinis na nakakasiguro tayo. Sana nga walang daya, wag silang mga sa tao para sa kalusugan naman din para sa atin.
Katulad na lamang ng ibang mga sakit, mahirap talagang makaiwas sa kahit anong waterborne disease kung ang ating pag-iingat at kaalaman ay hindi sapat. According to the World Health Organization, there are about 1.8 million deaths annually due to waterborne diseases.
Tips on preventing diarrheal diseases. So, the most basic thing is hand hygiene or hand washing. You need to do hand washing before you eat, after you eat, before you go to the washroom, after you come out of the washroom. This is a very basic thing that prevents 40% of infections. Now, other tips would be to make sure that the water you're drinking is not contaminated, and of course, basic personal hygiene and avoiding bathing in waters where you are not sure of the safeness. And of course, there are vaccines for diarrheal diseases that is available. For treatment, mainly it's the main symptom of diarrheal disease that needs management in a hospital facility would be dehydration. So initially, if you have diarrhea, you need to drink water to replace the water that you lost. This is not ordinary water. We have Orisol, which is available in all drugstores. If the diarrhea persists, you need to go to hospital to be managed. If the doctors will tell you if you need antibiotics for your diarrhea or not, you cannot just self-medicate with antibiotics because most diarrheal diseases doesn't need to be treated with antibiotics.
Maisabi ko lang po dito sa na-experience ko noon na lagi po kumukulo ang tiyan ko dahil nga siguro sa ating tubig na hindi na safe talaga ngayon dahil nga ngayon ko pala nga din nalaman dahil sa Water Philippines sa alkaline, dito ko po naintindihan yung pala 48 hours ang mapapanis na yung tubig, so which is magiging acidic na yon. So yun siguro sa akin lang experience na hindi ko na po naranasan yung pagkulo ng aking tiyan.
Our body is made up of 75% water. That is the reason why taking in clean and healthy water is a must in every household. Don't worry that much. Here are the products of the well-known Waters Philippines that will provide you and your family the safest water that you will be drinking. Now, there is no reason to get worried. Waters Philippines has come up with products that will provide you and your family with the safest drinking water.
Waters Philippines was actually formally launched in 1995, and it also became the first water purifier company in the Philippines to offer the multiple level network compensation plan. Waters Philippines is affiliated with a company called Waters Asia, which has offices in Korea, Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia, Taiwan, Hong Kong, and China. 1 year after we launched Waters, in 1996, we became the market leader in water purifiers in the home water purifier business in the Philippines. On the same year, also in 1996, we became the #1 water selling company in the Southeast Asian region. And we repeated that again and had that distinction again in 1997. #1 again in Southeast Asia. Then immediately after that, in 1998, we became the #1 water selling company in the entire Asian region. And we still hold that distinction up to today. Basically, Waters Philippines exists to help our target market, our target community rather, reach their dreams of good health, happiness, and prosperity. Ang ginagawa namin sa Waters is that for the sale of every unit of our product, we give a portion of the proceeds to these foundations. This is our way of giving back to the community, and to probably borrow a phrase, a tag phrase from Operation Smile, we help change lives. So it's not just about making money, but it's also about helping people at the same time and help uplift their lives. So Waters Philippines, when we look at our products, we have a very nice product mix. We have basically 3 major products. The NOAA Biomineral Pot, this is the water purifier, a home-based water purifier. Then we have the NOAA Ion Cell Cleanse. This is a machine that helps us cleanse our body of toxins through osmosis. And of course, we have the NOAA Food Waste Disposer. Ito ay tinutulungan tayo na sa pag-dispose ng food waste natin in a more environmental friendly manner.
An innovative, fast-growing, generous company that is continuously giving every entrepreneur a good source of livelihood. But the question is, why should we trust Waters Philippines?
Because our product, Waters Biomineral Pot, compared to others, no, it has a faster flow rate and it provides you alkaline water. We have home service and we also provide public service to our client. It has a delicious tasting mineral water and it comes with extra filters that last for 5 to 6 years. It depends on the quality of the water and of course on the number of users. And the only purifier that comes with test reagent kit. It is electricity free and we have 1-year warranty against factory defect. So the best seller, the most saleable model is the Biomineral Pot 1000, which is a tabletop. And for the companies, for restaurants, we have the hot and cold series, the manual or automatic. Aside from the health benefits, we have also the quality assurance because our company is already 17 years in the business and we have a lifetime service warranty and the parts are readily available. Number 3 benefit is savings because it is much cheaper than buying bottled water from the refilling station.
Did you know that a family will spend almost $500,000 in buying their water refills in a lifetime? And when we talk about safetiness of the product, of course, these products will keep your health in an upright condition.
All our BMP Waters products are FDA registered, Food and Drug Administration registered, which means that the product water collected from our biomineral pot complies with the Philippine National Standards for Drinking Water as it removes sediments, residual chlorine, and bacteria in water and does not remove naturally occurring mineral content of the source water. Our products earn international recognitions and awards such as International Trophy for Quality in France, World Quality Commitment Award in Spain, and International Gold Star for Quality in USA. Also include Southeast Asian Games in Malaysia and 11th Asian Games in Beijing.
Hindi ka nga dapat kabahan at matakot pa na subukan ang world-class na produkto ng Waters Philippines. Bukod sa safe ito para sa lahat, marami pa itong health benefits na maaari nating makuha. Hindi lang yan, child-friendly pa ang water dispensers nila.
Aside from continuing to provide the market with quality products that benefit their health, of course, we would like to inform the public a little more about benefits of detox. Basically, what we want to do is to promote better health through preventive measures. Our NOAA Ion Cell Cleanse machine does not cure ailments, but what it does is it actually helps the immune system of our body cope better with whatever battles it has to fight against germs or toxins or whatever by making the system more efficient. Inaalis niya yung toxins so that our immune system can concentrate on fighting other diseases or other attacks against the body. So we're opening up these detox centers all over the metro to start with, just to let people know about the benefits of detoxification through ion cell cleansing. For our consuming public that would like to find out more about the NOAA Biomineral Pot and the benefits that they can derive from our water purifiers, you can check out our website at www.waters.com.ph to find out how our water purifiers can help you. And aside from that, for those of you young entrepreneurs that are thinking of going into business but are sort of cash-strapped with not that much capital, our network of distributors is actually a very good opportunity for you to get into your own business, you be your own boss, and with very minimal capital infusion. Halos wala kayong ilalabas, but it is a rewarding career to be a distributor for Waters Philippines. So we hope to see you soon.
Because here in Waters Philippines, we are keeping you healthy while saving your money.
So, ngayon summer na at karamihan ng mga tao ay pupunta sa beach at magbabakasyon. Dapat maging aware kayo sa tubig na iinumin nyo, siguradong malinis at dapat yung papaliguan nyo ay hindi madumi. Although hindi natin ito masisigurado, pero you have to make sure na safe yung lugar na pupuntahan nyo in reference to water. And of course, always do hand washing wherever you are.
About 2 million annual deaths is attributed to unsafe water and poor sanitation and hygiene. And it is because 1 billion people lack access to an improved supply of water. Dahil na rin to sa maruming paligid na dinadaluyan ng tubig na ating ginagamit sa pang-araw-araw nating pamumuhay. Kaya naman kalinisan sa katawan ang isa sa mga susi sa pagkakaroon ng healthy living. The term waterborne disease is reserved largely for infections that predominantly is transmitted through contact or consumption of infected water. Sa ating mga kabahayan, siguraduhing malinis ang ginagamit yung tubig dahil nakasalalay dito ang kalusugan ng buo niyong pamilya. See you again next week. This is Generation RX, your health and travel show that keeps you informed. Now, signing off.